Let's talk cocktail shakers. They basically come in two varieties, cobbler and Boston. Boston is what you will most commonly see in bars. Most professional bartenders use this style. I recommend the cobbler shaker if you are just starting out. There are two reasons for this. One, the Boston shaker fits together like this, and you'll see bartenders give it a hard whack on the top, and that creates a seal. And then when it gets cold, the seal gets even stronger. They like these because it gives more room for the ice to move around, and they can also shake them one-handed. I dislike them because I have small hands and I have a really hard time getting them apart when I am done shaking, because you have to kind of squeeze in just the right way to get it apart, and I can't always do it. And I spend a lot of time fighting with my Boston shaker. So that's why I prefer the cobbler shaker, because it's easy. But the other reason I prefer the cobbler shaker is that it comes with a built-in strainer. The cap has a strainer right inside. So when you're done shaking your cocktail, you just take off the little cap and you can strain right into your glass. Whereas with the Boston shaker, you need another piece of equipment. You need a Hawthorne strainer, which fits inside and then holds back your ice while you strain your cocktail into your glass. So I like the cobbler both because it has the built-in strainer, so it's one less piece of gear that you need, and it's also just easier to use. So if you're just starting out, cobbler is what I recommend.